In this video, I will show you how to use the latest Select Subject tool in Adobe Photoshop. So make sure to stay tuned because that's coming right up. What is going on? This is Muneeb from Design with Muneeb. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn graphic design, logo design and tips and tricks of all kinds, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you don't miss anything. So recently Adobe just released a new feature, a great feature known as the Select Subject. So basically a Select Subject, what it does is just kind of selects the subject in the picture automatically with the press of a single button. Now the subject can be a person like this, the subject can be people, subject can be food, animals. So in order to select the subject, I'm gonna first of all unlock this background there, and now I'm gonna select the magic wand tool or the quick selection tool, doesn't matter. Either way you're gonna get this select subject tool here. I'm gonna hit that and it's gonna take several seconds to select the subject, and you can see it has done a pretty good job. Now you can see it's not as precise selection, so what I'm gonna do is select and mask. And now I'm not a Photoshop guru, but I can just do some pretty basic stuff. Now I can just refine these. So this here, I'm gonna just refine the selection a bit. So once done, I'm gonna hit OK, and I'm gonna just visualize this by filling a color here. So you can see this feature is amazing. Now it's under development currently and it uses machine learning and all that kind of other garbage, but that's amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure to leave a like on the video. If you loved it, then make sure to subscribe. Check out my other awesome content on the channel. This has been Muneeb, and until then, see you later.